Welcome to the School of Engineering and Applied Science. I'm Dean Shepard, and we're going to take a tour of the SEAS facilities. Come on. This is our new Boulier Center for Integrated Science and Engineering. Take a look. So we have this wonderful innovation lab and all kinds of student study spaces with a beautiful view of the river and the soccer fields. All right, we're going to take a look in the Cadwell Maker Center. Looks like they're open.
Welcome in, Dean Shepard.
Oh, hi, Ashu. What are you guys doing here today?
Let me show you around. So we have Luke right here working on some vinyl bulldogs. We have Nicholas in the back working on a 3D printed project. And we have some of our projects on display here for you.
Oh, wow. All right, we're going to take a look at one of the research labs. This is the tribology lab.
So here in this lab, we're mostly looking at the effects of friction, wear on materials and material structures. So we're mostly concerned with developing novel materials, mostly polymer composites in this lab, and then really looking at what are they like under stress and under sliding rolling contact at the interface of moving materials. And so another one of my students is testing these polymer nanocomposites, looking at their wear response, and you can kind of see these two pins being tested, and then this is sort of the real-time data that is generated.
We're going to go check out some of the computer science labs.
Hi, Dean Shepard.
Oh, hi, Dr. Sprint. What's going on in here?
Well, we're in between classes right now in our general computer lab. We've got Linux machines in here, and most of our introductory computer science classes are taught in this room. This is our cybersecurity lab. Hi, Maya. Hi, so this is our cybersecurity and networking lab. And we'll head down this way, just around this corner right here will be all of our 10 computer science faculty's offices, all in a row.
All right, let's go take a look now in the Herrick Center and we'll see some more labs. So we're going to head into the geotechnical lab.
Hi, Dean Shepard.
Hi, Dr. Musinski. What are you guys doing?
Looks like Matthew is preparing a permeability test specimen by measuring some of the different strata within the specimen container. What are you working on here?
This is a triaxial test that we use to measure shear strength of our favorite engineering material, which is soil.
Okay. Julia and Becca appear to be working on a direct shear specimen.
Yeah, we're just getting it ready. It's some Lake Michigan sand.
Yeah, we're just going to do a direct shear test on it, which tests kind of the lateral capacity or shear capacity of soils, and usually sand samples.
Here's an interesting piece. This is the quicksand tank. It looks like Ava and Bela are working on that.
Yeah, by changing these valves down here, we can create quicksand-like conditions. Basically, having water surge up and disengage the particles. We can use it to test like different footings and quicksand conditions.
Head into the Manufacturing Technology Center, or the MTC. Hi, Kevin.
Hi.
Can you show us what's happening in there?
Yeah, so right now, Fitness helping out Baja Club. They're taking these large structures of aluminum and getting them turned into a prototype hub for their new car this year.
Let's go into the Manufacturing Engineering Lab.
Hi, Dean Shepard. So this is our materials and manufacturing lab. The front part of the lab is where students will get to do materials testing. toward the back end of this lab space, we have the manufacturing side of things where students will actually get to fabricate, design and fabricate components. So we have a milling machine, a lathe, and then over in the back we have a welding setup, as well as labs for casting and additive manufacturing. So
All right, we're gonna go look at some student project spaces. So hi, Dr. Baumgartner.
Hello, welcome to one of our many student project lab spaces. So this is where students come to design, build, explore, be it as part of a senior design project or one of our many student clubs. This is kind of where they make all of their designs come to life. So in here we've got student clubs like our SAE Baja Club, our Aerospace Club, our G-Robotics Club, working on student competitions and senior design projects. Kind of fills this space and the time throughout the year.
All right, let's go take a look in the robotics lab and see what's happening.
Oh, hi, Dr. Rogers.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on in here today?
Robotics lab. So this is where students kind of practice hands-on projects on the key principles of autonomous robotics.
Here, this robot is following the right-hand side of the wall, autonomously moving and turning around in quarters to solve this maze as it continues following the right hand.
Here we have a robot. The code on this robot is basically incorporating movement with a line sensing technology. So there's IR emitters on the bottom of this robot that are telling it where it is, and the motors tell it to stay on this line. So yeah.